Ads.txt Not Found WordPress, how to add Ads.txt file in WordPress. In this video, we're going to be talking about Ads.txt and how you're going to create an Ads.txt file for your Google AdSense and how you're going to make it work with WordPress. Okay, so for this, first of all, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and make sure our WordPress is opened up, and on the same tab, we're going to open up our AdSense home overview. Okay, so this is my AdSense over here. And over here, to go ahead and add my TXT file for Google AdSense, what you're going to want to do is you're going to make sure to go ahead and add a proper connection. So for that, what you're going to do is you're going to go over to sites. And once you go over to sites, here we can see we have our sites over here, but we can see that Ads.txt status is not found. So how are we going to fix that? How are we going to make that work? So for this, what you are going to want to do is you're going to go over to the website you want to connect it with. So let's say I want to go ahead with this one. This is my WordPress website, right? So here we have our Ads.txt snippet to verify things. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and copy that. Now, once you copy this Ads.txt text, what you're going to want to do from there is you're going to directly add it to your WordPress website, because this Ads.txt will allow your WordPress to verify your domain section from your Google AdSense. So what we're going to do after copying this is we're going to come over to our WordPress and we're going to go to the plugins section. Now in the plugins section, you're going to basically enter a plugin called File Manager. All right. So once we go ahead and write File Manager for ourselves here, once you do this, we have a lot of different file managers over here, like File Manager, FileStir, we have a WPD file, and you have WordPress's very own file managers as well that you can download. Now, all of these are really simple and easy to download. Okay, just get any one of them. I would prefer FileStir because it works incredibly and it gives you the best integrities of files as well. So I'm going to come over to FileStir, and once we do that, it opens up our file manager scheme over here. Now, once you are over here, as you can see, we have a lot of files over here, right? Now, in these files, what you're going to want to do is you're going to add a TXT file for yourself, all right? So, to add a TXT file, what you are going to be doing is you're going to add a TXT plain text file into this section. So, you're going to choose your WordPress manager, okay? And once you choose your WordPress manager here, you can see you have a lot of things like index.php, etc. So if you want to go ahead and add your TXT plain text file, what you're going to do for that is here, it gives you a add new file option. Okay. So to add a new file for yourself, what you can do is you can simply come over and click on that, and that should create a TXT file for you to add. Okay. And it's pretty straightforward and it's pretty simple to do so for yourself. Okay. And it's going to be pretty straightforward and simple to do so. And to get this type of stuff for yourself, just come over to this section. You're going to make sure that all the files are properly opened and downloaded. And from there, just go ahead and make sure that your plugin is, your domain is published, because right now, I won't be able to personally add this TXT file because my domain is not published, okay? And if you go ahead and publish your domain, you're going to successfully be able to add this stuff. So to publish the domain, what you're going to do is you're going to come to your main website, click on Launch Site, and once you click on Launch Site, over here, it opens up a domain section for you where it asks you to connect a domain for yourself, okay? So you can go with any of these domains, okay? Many of these domains are either on sale, and you can also get a free 1-year plan, or you can skip with your normal site address, okay, if you want to go with the totally free domain. So once you go with that, it says your site will be live shortly, and now our website is totally live now. Okay, so once our website is launched, now we're going to come back over to our file manager, which is FileStir. And once you go over to your FileStir section over here, what you are simply going to be doing is, again, come over to this file. And once you come over to this file over here, what you're directly going to be doing is you're going to reload things in. And once you reload things in, just add your TXT file as you please. Okay. And after adding that file, you can simply go ahead and edit the permissions and go ahead and add this TXT code into your file for txt, and that should set you up with the main code snippet for your Ads.txt straight into your WordPress, and that is how you're going to connect your AdSense to your WordPress in the easiest way. So this is how you're going to be basically working with your file manager, and if it still does not let you go ahead and add different files, what you can do is you're going to come over to the settings. Okay, you're going to make sure that you enable all of these things. So, these are the different user roles that you can access. My user role is obviously the editor. So I'm going to go ahead with all of that, and I'm going to go ahead and save the changes. Now it also asks us to go ahead and download these recommended plugins for our WordPress. So you're also going to make sure to go ahead and download these so you can get the different variation switches for yourselves. And once you download these recommended plugins, you can easily go over to the File Manager Pro. And once you come over to your File Manager Pro, what you can do over here is just go to your main section, and you're going to go ahead, create a new folder called the TXT folder, and that should allow you to easily go ahead and add your TXT file, and that is how you can set up your AdSense on WordPress in the easiest way. So thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you wonderful people in the next video. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope you all have a great day. Goodbye.